Number 14, a dime is 15 centimeters thick. Which expression below can be used to find the minimum height of a stack of 9 dimes? So we don't need to solve it, we just need to find which of these expressions could be used to solve it. So let's draw a picture. Here's my stack of dimes. We have 9 of them. Each dime is 0.15, 1500 centimeters. So I could, to find the total height, I could add 0.15 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. But what's easier than that? 9 times 0.15. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. So if we have 9 dimes that are 1500s thick, the total thickness would be 9 times 1500s, which is answer choice A. Okay, number 15. Rosie had $22 in her wallet. She spent 1/5 of it on snacks for a trip. How much money did she spend on snacks? So the trick here is figuring out the operation, and the operation is multiplication, because the key here is it says she spent 1/5 of it, 1/5 of the money she had. 1/5 of 22 is the same as 1/5 times 22. So 1/5 times 22 over 1, and then top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 22 is 22, 5 times 1 is 5. We have an improper fraction, so we need to divide. 22 divided by 5. How many 5s in 2? 0. How many 5s in 22? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 2. We want to keep dividing. We're trying to get an answer in terms of money, so we need 2 decimal places. So add a decimal and a 0, line up a decimal in my answer, bring that 0 down, and there are exactly 4 5s in this 20. So 4.4, but since it's money, we're going to add a 0 at the end for $4.40. Another way to make sure, you may not be 100% sure that you're choosing the right operation at first, but when you get your answer, think about whether it makes sense. Consider whether it's reasonable. If she spent 1/5 of the money, 1/5 of $20 would be $4. And just think about the fact, just think about what 1/5 of the money would be. Would it be less than the 22 or more than the 22? It's definitely going to be less than the 22, so it should be a number around $4. So if you consider whether your answer is reasonable, you'll figure out whether you chose the right operation. If you divided by mistake or something like that, you got a number that was much too large, you hopefully would catch that mistake that way and go back and try multiplication instead. Okay, hope that helps with the review. Second 6 weeks test is tomorrow, so get plenty of rest. I'll see you tomorrow.